I saved the turtles and restarted the waterfall. 2 missions accomplished. Boom! You may clap and cheer for me now.
Ugh, I just feel like we didn't think things through.
My sound power! I hear something! I hear shouts coming from the bottom of the falls, but I'm not sure what it's all about. Maybe shouts of joy? Yay, Rosie, for starting the waterfall again!
I think we should check it out. Vision power! I see a raccoon. It looks like he made a home on some driftwood while the river was all dried up.
Sounds good so far.
And now he's about to be swept up by the rushing river.
Whoa, that took a bad turn. Guess maybe I shouldn't have done that planning thing. The poor raccoon! We have to get him fast! Where's Indy and her speed power when we need it? We're too late! The water's about to hit the raccoon's home!